let's say like I never lie. It's like, okay, well, either you should lie sometimes, or you're hiding something.
Yeah.
You're cheating on your wife. That's where you go. Okay.
I went right there.
What else about tell the truth? What about with the customer, under promise, over deliver? Like, oh yeah, I can have that done in an hour. No, it's 2 hours.
Can't.
Oh, I can have it done today. No, it's going to be Wednesday. The parts department doesn't have the part, or what? You're trying to please instead of telling the truth. Just like all the people that have a hard time with the repair authorization. Like, people get so stuck on, what do you mean tell the customer the truth up front? No, we tell them later. We avoid the truth in the beginning.
Right. We lull them into a sense of distrust, and then we're honest with them.
But heaven forbid we just get it out of the way.
Yeah. It's so funny.
Anything else to tell the truth?
Cheating
on their wife. That was pretty funny. It was funny how quick you said that. Man.
I don't know why I made that connection.
That was an instant reaction. Okay, number 5. They don't control the things they should control.
Okay, that's great. I have that down here as lose control.
Yeah. So what sort of things should an advisor control? First of all, they should control customers' perception.
Okay, great.
They should control timing. They should control the customer's experience. So when I was a service advisor, when I called somebody to tell them the vehicle is ready, the biggest question on that call is, when are you coming to get it?
Always.
Is there any chance you could come 30 minutes earlier because I'm going to be gone at that time, or whatever it is? But I don't want another advisor writing up my customer. I don't want anybody else delivering my customer. And so controlling every aspect of the customer's experience is, it's an art form in a sense, but
it's also the only way to guarantee the results. The second you hand that to somebody else, it's just never going to be as good as you would do it.
Yeah.
It's just a task. It's like delegating tech ads to HR.
Number 6, consistency. So how many times do we go into a service department and the results and the customer experience in the service drive are only determined by one thing?
Luck.
No. The mood of the service advisors that day.
Oh.
So if they're in a good mood, it's going to be a good day. If they're in a bad mood, it's going to be a bad day. But the actual customer's needs have very little to do with what is going to happen.
Okay.
So
yeah,
we're
true.
performing out of emotion and not out of professionalism. Just good old fashioned responsibility.
Yeah. And it's all about
consistency.
Yeah, it's all about us when we're just changing it based on our mood. I don't know, you got to focus on the thing you're good at. Like, I'm really good at sleeping, right? And I'm so good at sleeping, I can do it with my eyes closed.
Number 7, they diagnose on the drive.
Yeah.
Can you unpack that? That one was yours.
Sure. I think that the diagnose on the drive, I think the most common advisor that I see this is the advisor that used to be a technician. So they've got a weird thing going on there where they used to be a technician, and maybe they know, but the truth is, at the end of the day, you have to kind of assume a different role, and there's just nowhere to go. If you're right, then there's no value to the technician in the shop, and if you're wrong, you've unearthed a can of worms that you'll be digging out of for the whole visit because you were wrong. So there's just no advantage to diagnosing on the drive other than to make yourself look or feel smart. Is the only reason that you would diagnose on the drive.
And then the last one is they assume the customer is crazy. Side note, no empathy. Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driving Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.com
offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.